Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close your DU SIM card in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand whether you want to basically cancel the postpaid plan or the prepaid plan, because for both of the plans, the steps are different. So if you have a postpaid plan, you just have to open your DU application first. Over here, when you go to the billing section, you need to simply look for any type of outstanding amounts. If you are still in a contract, you just have to basically pay the early termination fees. Once you have done that, you just have to simply then call on this particular number. It is 800-155. After dialing this number, you just have to simply choose the option of language, then select the option for account cancellation. After that, you will need to enter your account number and your Emirates ID. So once you have done that, the agent will process the request and provide you with a service request number. Just make sure to write it down so that you don't forget it. So next thing, for the digital first approach, you can just simply come here inside your DU application. Over here, you need to log in with the help of your UAE Pass option. When you are inside, look for the option of manage my line, then select the option of cancel subscription. You will need to verify the request with a 4-digit PIN for face scan. In 2026, the online requests are usually proceeded within 3 to 24 hours, and you will receive a confirmation SMS once the line is dead. Now, if you want to cancel or close the prepaid SIM card, you don't need to do anything. In UAE, the prepaid lines are designed to expire automatically. If you not recharge your SIM for the next 90 days, the system will automatically close it. So just make sure that any type of auto recharge feature on your bank app is basically turned off. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.